Hey guys, so I'm on my tablet, the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4, so the quality is not that good, bad. But anyway, this will be posted as is, no editing, no editing or anything. But I just want to talk to you guys because I just want to share my little story. I'm feeling down. I'm upset right now. I'm not even laughing. I'm upset because I decided to build my desktop because the one that I'm using now is my grandma desktop and it's slower and the memory is filling up with my videos and stuff like that. So I decided to build a desktop and have a PC for myself. Now the PC that I'm building is a gaming PC and a video editing PC. So I get budget stuff that can actually process my video editing without slowing down the PC or anything like that. I get an i5 core processor. I get 1 terabyte hard drive, and I also can add more terabytes, so that's enough space to actually store my videos after I edit them, music, all those stuff. I need a large hard drive. I need good processing speed, 8 gigabyte RAM to make everything run smooth. um, the works good, the monitor, so I can actually see the true colors when I'm editing and stuff like that, because the monitor that's there right now, this is just an average monitor. So I actually want to see good resolution and what I'm putting out to you guys. I'm trying to fix that end where I'm getting better stuff, and it can be, people can appreciate it more. So I'm just upset because I built it up already but it's not working. It's just, I don't know what's going on, but it just won't come on. I literally finish assembling it, everything, but there's no power. I return the power supply, I get a new power supply, and nothing is going on. There's no power. I tried the screwdriver. You put the screwdriver at the pins. There's two pins that power on your PC when you press it, and there's nothing coming on, so there's no power. So in my mind, at first I thought it was the power supply, but no, based on the research and stuff from my nephew JR, he's good at computers and stuff. He recommended all the parts of me and stuff like that. So now I'm thinking that the motherboard might be bad. It might be a bad motherboard that I get. Sometimes you have factory mother, like you have hundreds and thousands of motherboard of that same type building. You're gonna have at least 100 or 1,000 that is defected. So I think that I might have received a defected motherboard. So I just don't have any luck at all. Like I try, like it taking me at least two total months to actually build this PC, and know it's almost ready, and literally it's just not working. So that have me depressed. I'm sad right now, and I'm supposed to make a video for today because I posted one yesterday, and it's like I'm not in the mood at all. I know I'm human, I'm not in the mood at all to actually talk about the things I want to talk about, and this is the reason why. So I just want to share that with you guys, and just get that out there. I'm just feeling down and sad and irritated because for me, I love technology. I love technology so much that I'll invest my time and energy into it, and I love it. I research about it a lot and stuff, and I know a good amount of stuff. So when it don't work, I'm upset because they were built to work. Technology is supposed to help us. It's like a side chick. No offense. But it's like a side chick or a side piece. It's supposed to work. It's your companion. That's why we have technology to advance us, to help us be better with communication and more stuff. I won't even make this long because it's already 4 minutes. So I'm going to post this as is. Hope you guys are okay. Hope you enjoy the holiday. Thanks for tuning into J Vlogs. Thanks for your support. I like the views that I've been getting. It's small amount of views. Like each video is getting over 20 views per like 20 hours or 24 hours. But that's alright. You guys like the interesting topics. Sometimes you don't. I don't mind. So thanks for supporting J Vlogs. I really look forward to making more videos so you guys, interacting with you guys, sharing the knowledge and just having fun and just, enjoying myself. doing this. So leave a comment below if you have any advice so I can fix it, or just let it work. Just tell me below. So J Vlogs again, Mark Plunky, guys. Thanks for watching. It's almost 8 o'clock, but the sun is still out, so that's why I'm here. Bye, guys.